Good morning, or whenever you're viewing this. I'm going to show you how to plunge a toilet the right way. Here we have one intentionally plugged toilet, so we can demonstrate the use of the plunger. You want to fill the plunger with as much water as you can get in it, for starters. You always want to make sure the water level is higher in the bowl so that the water will be pushing on the obstruction in the toilet as you plunge it. You get the plunger in position to cover the hole, and you're just going to do some quick short thrusts like that. Voila! One cleared toilet. Please tune in next time.